Hey. Hold on a sec. Oh, yeah, autofocus. That's right. I left everything auto because I got tired of trying to set it every time. I'm in Linux, and for some reason it's a Logitech webcam, and it doesn't want to save the settings that I set. So I just let it do it auto. It's fine because most of the time the um the video is right here in this little square down here. So I rarely do the webcam full webcam anymore. So okay, so welcome. If you don't know who I am, my name is Keith, and otherwise known as Ufgood, and I'm building a game which is going to eventually be a point-and-click adventure game about a Magic Kingdom that's fallen on hard times. Magic Kingdom turned tourist resort, fallen on hard times. And that's all I'll say right at this point, just because there's probably not even anybody new in the streams yet that doesn't already know what's going on with the game. But uh, today's part one. It's fine if you leave at any time. I mean, it's fine anytime if you pop in and leave or whatever. But uh, today in particular, part one in particular, I am setting up a couple things. So I've got these four platforms. Now, I'll go ahead and say them, and hopefully, like Twitch doesn't get mad. I think it used to have a problem with multi-streaming, and it has some sort of strict rules about certain things. So I'm not trying to get you to go to any particular platform, but uh, we're we're doing YouTube, Rumble, Twitch, and Kick, and hopefully that doesn't ping me. It doesn't get me in trouble. It shouldn't, but yeah, you never know. Just starting out, but so because of that, um, uh, partly because I'm using this new thing called Meld Multi, which here I'll go ahead and here just show you that briefly. But basically here, um, it's it's a free multi-streaming deal. At least while it's beta. Supposedly while it's beta, it's free. Uh, and it's allowing me to stream to more than two platforms. With Restream, I only get two platforms unless I start paying, and I can't pay that much to add another platform. So now I've got two more platforms on here, and it seems to be working right. It seems to be going in all deals, and the only thing here is, now of course, there's nobody in either of these, I don't think. Oh, two viewers on Kick though, so welcome Kick viewers. This is just gonna be my little. I'm setting stuff up. I'm using Social Stream Ninja, and I gotta figure out how to set that up so that I can chat to everybody and everything. So um, once you come in, once you come in. I don't know what that. I don't know what that means, but okay. I don't know if that's a. Well, that's weird. I guess I don't know. Maybe it's a maybe there's spam viewers or something. Um, I'm not gonna worry about that right now unless it like gets to be a problem, and maybe I have to like block or somehow yeah. Okay, that's all right. Anyways, and there's nobody, one viewer in here, which could be myself. I'm not sure, but that's quite all right. And I think everything is going okay. I mean, it might not be the greatest, maybe, I don't know, but we'll see. And there's just a first time thing here. And how come? Oh, I see. It's not. It's playing now. Okay, I get it. I get it. Okay, so playing with a couple of new things here, and I don't know what the login to Twitch. I already logged in, and I'm already logged in. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is let me find. I didn't put it in favorites though, did I? Let's go to dev stuff, I guess. Um, Social Stream Ninja, and actually, I'm gonna do this off screen just in case I need to do something funky because I have to actually add chats into here. So let's run that here first. Oh, what are we doing? Okay. So just bear with me if you know if you notice I'm not doing anything here. I'll be getting to it here pretty soon. Um, so yeah, I started making this game. I've had this game rolling around in my head for since like around 2005, and I kept with false starts kept trying to start making it, and I finally found on a formula that will help me complete it. And I did that by reducing the game to its most basic. What would be the most basic kind of adventure game you could play? Choose your own adventure, right? You have decision points. You click, or in the case of the actual books, you actually turn to a page. And I figured that was the simplest way to do it, and so I go in there, get the story nailed down, and everything kind of nailed down, and then uh, I do it in phases or iterations where I'd start, and then I start adding stuff to it. I expand the story out. I got a full story, but um, it's kind of compressed right now um, because it's meant to be able to be done quickly. Even though I've been working on this ever since November of 24. November 24. So it's like been just over a year, and a couple months ago, I decided I needed to reboot phase one, sort of, because it was taking too long. So I had too many pages, too many things in there. Anyways, I'll show that to you if you're around, if anybody's around here. So YouTube username must be live in stream set for public for it to work. Okay. Select live sources. Activate selected. Okay. And all right. So that's a chat from, well, I guess I shouldn't put that up there just because certain certain deals. Oh, that's right, I forgot. What? Try again. Is huh? Okay. Let me try something though. Uh, where it? Okay. Sign in. Keep session. Sure. Okay. I think this is just okay. Yes. Okay, so with Social Stream Ninja, I have to sign in. Yes, it's me. Okay. Yes, it was me. Okay. Okay. So, all right. Okay. So I'm signed in there, so I should be able to do the chat thingy, I think. Why? Oh, that's some. That's, oh, shoot. Phone. My old phone. So sorry. Yeah, sorry. Prompt expired because it already confirmed it. Okay. Let's try this again. Where is I don't know how to use this thing. What's the deal here? Why? Try again. Okay, good, good, good. Let's try this again. Okay. Test. Okay, that seemed to work, I think. Yep, it's showing up there. Okay, okay. Good. I have to figure out how to do this docking thing though. Let's go and try Rumble. Let's pull up Rumble here. So, apologies for anybody thinking something's gonna happen here. You can't see it because most of it's off screen here. Rumble username. Uh, I think. Okay. And, uh, cancel that. There we go. I want to. Just close that. Close it. Close. I already signed in here. Close it. Okay. I mean, I think. All right. What? Oh. Oh, come on. Dang. Social Streaming has got its own like browser stuff built in and everything. Here. Okay, that is correct. So let's just go ahead and close that window. Um, okay, hold on. Let's try Twitch. Uh, okay. 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 Dang it. Yes, remember the stupid code. What? I hate this stupid two-factor authentication crap. In fact, I'm supposedly using the Google Authenticator, and it's still when you sign in, it doesn't do that. Look at whatever. Okay. And I don't think you can see anything there on that left edge there. I'm gonna close that. Okay. And then finally, let's add the kick. So kick. All right. Okay. I don't even know if everything is completely working here. Uh, connection mode. All right. Now the only thing is I don't know how to stream dashboard. Oh, that's not. Stream chat. I don't know how to get to the dang stupid. Uh, overlay message mechanics. Okay, fine. I'm gonna have to pull up a. Okay, let's do new window here. How do I look at the stream ninja chat? Okay. From the featured chat view. Overlay. What about the overlay? No. Okay, so main testing. Let's see if that showed up at all. No, it didn't. So how come? Uh, testing. Let's see if well, okay. backlink shows the dashboard, but doesn't show any messages in or out. So I'm still something wrong. Um, I'm using the standalone app, not the browser extension. I still need those chat windows open. I thought I did there on various tabs. Maybe that's the deal. Maybe I need, well, no, it should have, well, okay. Okay. What about, okay, what about YouTube? Uh, another text. Showing up in the dock? It's not showing up in the dock at all. So I don't know if I don't have a connection or I don't know what's the problem is. Uh, let's see something here. I'm actually already signed in there. Okay. Okay. The scene again. Like I got earlier. No, nothing happens. I don't get it. Huh. Good. Again? Uh, a gale or whatever. Uh, yeah, I don't get it. Test? I don't get it. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why. Testing. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Okay. Then that's gonna show up in Rumble. Okay. All right. Uh, okay, let me try something here. Okay. Activate. Switch. And okay. Okay, so I I guess I needed to activate this each of the sources. It should have them always auto activate. Um Accept all. Okay. Well, how come? All right, whatever. Doesn't matter. Doggone it, stupid two-factor authentication crap. All right. Uh, oh, I get to use the authenticator on Kick at least. Just stupid crap. Okay, good, good, good. All right. So that's successful, and I don't know, probably violating some sort of rule for Twitch by having these up at the same time. But so now, cancel that activate. Uh, select live sources again. Already added. Activate selected. There we go. That's well, that's great. Except for where is I have like 3 different dashboards on. What? That's all right. I'll close it. Oh, YouTube is already here though, isn't it? Oh, okay. So now let's go ahead and close all these stupid dashboard windows. Where's the dash? Okay. Oh, there we go. There we go. Awesome. Um, so let's see if I can type a message to all 4 of them. In fact, we'll see if they all pop up over here, and I'll even observe a little bit over here. Okay. Social stream ninja. Okay. I thought you were supposed to be able to type right in the stupid dashboard. Testing. No? Okay, everything works except everything works in the individual chat windows for each platform, and dashboard does show the messages. However, I can't send from the dashboard. I have to use each chat window. Because I don't know what I'm doing here. Yep. Yeah. Check message session. Reload the dash. Uh, two-way chat. Okay. How do I enable two-way chat? Global settings mechanics. Okay, global settings. Enable server. Emote. Oh. Streamer bot, Discord. Chatbots and services, not what I'm interested in. Hide stream events, disable local message database, use DB, beat for new, override DB, replay messages, do not post links, don't block, do not disable, delay, emotes. I don't know what any of this means. Enable server. Enable server. Let's see, enable server. Enable. Something to do with the extension. Chaos Spring, I don't know what that means. Yeah, that's not really. See something here. I don't know what I'm doing here. Issue. I mean, I can, I can chat to all these at the same time, but I don't know how to get it to work in the dashboard, in a single dashboard. Um, I don't see enable server toggle in mechanics. You have to have two-way chat on to be able to see messages, to be able to send messages from the dashboard window. Let's see something here. I don't see, enabling, I don't see enable server. Maybe it's something else. Or maybe that is what I'm looking at. Because I don't know for sure. Add. Okay. We have enable in small letters, note, API, control of extension. As far as I know, I'm not using extensions. We have enable dot previews and publish via API server. Let's see what it says. Maybe I can use something else. Enable remote. Okay. Okay. Did that change anything though here? Hello, Irving. Um, well, I use AI all the time in my game development, so I'm getting used to some new things here, and uh, I could just help you. I see. It's fine. I'm just figuring stuff out. I'm using Social Stream Engine. I'm trying to figure out how to use it, and it's starting to work. Testing. Now, I don't know if I have to like restart things or something. I'm actually gonna restart. I'm gonna restart. Or should I reload all? Reload. I don't know if it okay, so let me see something here then. Here, actually, where is where's my actual Twitch window? Okay, so this should still work. Okay, that does still work. And but then the dashboard is showing it, but I still can't necessarily sending message the from the dashboard. Nope, that still doesn't work. Uh, let's do one more thing then. Let's just do that. Reload all. Let's try again. That still doesn't work. I don't get it. Yeah. Hey, wait. Where am I? Where am I? Need this filter and everything. Okay, so still doesn't send the dashboard. Maybe I need to restart. I guess maybe I should restart it maybe. Okay, so I'm going to, where is the thing? Yes. I'm going to go ahead and close this. And I'm going to go ahead and restart it. I'm still logged in to everything, but we are going to restart. Okay, everything is there as far as all the different deals. So now let's click on the link. Okay, another test. Nope. I mean, I could just tile these windows off to the side. They're not too big. They probably work fine, but so I'm able to use social stream ninja, but not from its dashboard top. I'm not inserting commands. I think that's Rumble. Is that Rumble? Yeah, that was Rumble. Okay, so see something here. Testing. Everything still works, but still no sending from the dash. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try something different. Where's Twitch here? Remote enable dock, which I got. I got both of those. It does end with end server. May fail if enable dock to use publish via API is on. You restart the app after enabling. You tested. What do we got here? Generate a new session ID. What, for each thing or for one deal? One main thing here. Uh, I don't know. What the heck? How do I generate a new session ID? This is annoying. Global settings mechanics session ID field. Uh, okay, fine. Global settings mechanics. Uh, what do we got here? External listeners, docs, and this condense extension. Yes, sir. Press API key. I don't know. There's nothing here about session ID anyways. What the heck is going on here? Yeah, annoying. Preset overlay theme. What's that? Where is... Sending... Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I take a break, and what I mean by taking a break is I stop the stream and I start a new stream for part two. I find that this is better. I was doing 3 and 4 hour streams, and I would take a break, and I would actually sometimes go way beyond the break time, and people didn't stay around. So if I start a new, fresh new stream, it seems to work better. But anyways, that's not really deal. Let's here. Let's look at Grok. Let's ask Grok here. Uh, so using social stream ninja connected to all 4 platforms and their individual chat windows pop up, but I can't figure out how to send messages from the doc dashboard. Okay. It doesn't have built-in text input, but it does though. There's a deal in there. Open your browser. Pop that open. Yeah. No, no, you don't, you're not supposed to have to do it. Dashboard has a little message box icon that will send will supposedly send messages. This is even shown in that getting started guide, but I must have done something wrong because I can only do the individual opt-outs. Using the standalone version on Linux. Dashboards indeed meant for sending messages shown getting started guides. It's one of the perks of the desktop app. Direct two-way sending from this year, the standalone version, and the icon is visible but not working as expected. No input appears or clicks do nothing. Here's what two-way remote API control not enabled. The most frequent culprit is in standalone app. Go to the main menu. Okay. Look for a section called API Remote Control Server API or Enable Remote API. Okay. Top right gear settings. This is actually the settings though. I thought. Let me see something for a second. Where? Um, that's dumb too. Okay then, fine. Okay. Click the message box icon. Preferences. I don't understand here. It's weird that it opened a new. Oh, I maybe that's because I restarted. Uh, there's not a single settings icon for the app. There's a tab at the top. Uh, the top it says sources and settings, and apparently all the settings are in the right hand sidebar. Okay. It doesn't even know what I'm looking at. Of course, AIs don't know crap, I don't think. Sometimes. The top bar. Where is. I see. Okay. All right. Look for API mechanics global settings, right? API remote control advanced connection. Enable remote API control. Save and apply and restart the dashboard. Okay, well that's what I already did. Mechanics. Beep, beep, beep. Little messages. Wait. Oh, this is that other mechanics. This isn't the global settings, right? Okay, go. Chat services. Automatically, blah, 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 blah. Okay, that's not mechanics. Like stream events, use DB, override, replay messages, hide specific events, don't block, do not treat, disable, block, delay, add, emotes. Add user pronouns. Treat Discord roles. Only monthly featured messages from YouTube. That's... Um, let's do a screenshot here. Uh, Selection. Let's go ahead and take screenshot. Okay. And copy to clipboard. And then paste. Okay. Well, I'll let it respond first, I guess. All right. Exactly one's control outgoing chat by let's say from what you shared and matching it to the official. Here's the precise combination needed to unlock the message box. So it actually pops up. Required toggles to enable dashboard setting. Enable remote API control, which is what I got. Enable doc to use and post to API server, which is also what I got. Send chat. Okay, let's do that. Close and reopen the sidebar if needed. Is there like an apply or anything like that? No? Okay. Let's see what we got here. Give him kick a try, looks good so far. You'll end up being a streaming consultant with all this experience. Maybe. Uh, Maybe I can eventually bankroll that. Okay, okay, so let's, where are we at? Where are we at? I want to, okay, so I want to pull this up first. I want to pull up let's go all the way back up. Click on the doc session here. Testing. That doesn't work. I might have to restart it again, and I might do that. Testing. That works, though. It works the one way. Okay, so let's just do the thing again. We're going to close that. We're going to restart it. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. All right. Okay. Put test here. And let's go ahead and pull this out again. Uh, okay, that's fine. Testing send. No. Make sure you're logged in with accounts that have chat posting rights, e.g. Twitch. You might need to mod affiliate for certain sends. App restart. Try launching the app image from terminal. Back to your browser, huh? From the apps pop-up or main window. What happens if I do this? Anything? Oh yeah, everything's here. Test. Oh, that worked. Why did that work? Wait a second. Let's do it in here. Test again. Well, that's funny. That is funny. Okay. Let me do one thing then. Let me ask. Okay, so that actually, what is it? Oh, Linktree admin. Um, okay, here's something odd. It still can't send from the dashboard. However, I copied the link into a browser tab, and that seems to work fine. Pasting the dashboard link doc page in a separate browser lets you send messages successfully points they should be in specific the download app's embedded dashboard view, not the core sending functionality. Standalone app sometimes has running UI quirks for the interactive elements like the message input field triggered by speech. Focus can tell or mishandle certain events. Icon designed. Yeah, and I can actually the interesting thing is I can then go ahead and put that tab onto my page that has all the pages in it. So I could probably just leave that there. Or I can also do it in OBS. Browser source OBS if you want the full dashboard. Huh. Well, you know what? I mean, this is fine. This will work. So now to add it to OBS, let me see if I can just add it to OBS too. Uh, that's not OBS. Let's close this for right now. We'll leave each of these four on right now. And actually, let's do something here real quick though. Let's do it in kicking, and let's see if kicking shows up in here. It does, which is good. Okay. So then let's go to OBS and docs, I think. Name and URL. Green Ninja. And if I go ahead and paste, okay, apply, close. Okay, so let's see if this actually works in here in OBS. Testing via OBS, and that seemed to work, doesn't it? Uh, all these, all these, all these, all these. Okay, now I should be able to just or can I? That's weird. It doesn't let you. Oh, how weird. Okay, I guess it doesn't matter that much. Okay, so these get hid here. Okay, let's move this over here. I don't actually even care if they're like, not minimized, minimize, whatever. And okay, actually it looks good because it's about time for me to quit this session here, this stream. And let's minimize these. And let's go ahead and throw this. We throw that in there. There we go. Okay, well, looks like I figured it out just about the time I'm supposed to break. So, uh-oh. Where is... Why is it not sending the dang rumble now? Oops. Oh, weird. Very weird. Second rumble. Oh, I don't know, it's doing some weird stuff with the rumble. Oh, this is so annoying. Maybe what I should just do is I should just do the individual ones and I'll have them off screen. They don't take up that much of the screen anyways. Anyways, I want to thank everybody for popping in and out or not doing anything, whatever. Uh, when it comes to part two, which will be about an hour from now, I will actually be working on the game, so we'll see what to do then. I don't know. But it was having a hard time with Rumble, so uh, maybe it'll iron out the next time. Okay. Then okay. Thank you for watching part one, and